So, you're thinking about renting a car in Punta Cana. Don't even think about it until you've watched this video to the end. Hey there, I'm Alexander, and this is our car rental blog here in Punta Cana. Before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. We've got loads of useful info on renting cars in the Dominican Republic, where to go, road tips, potential issues, and more. Alright, there are three main ways to rent a car in the Dominican Republic. First way, renting at the airport. The most obvious, but also the priciest way, is to head straight to the car rental desk at the airport. What are the downsides of this approach? You absolutely need a credit card with your name on it. If you don't have one or only have a debit card, they'll refuse you. They'll try to upsell you with loads of extra insurance. The final cost can end up being 2 to 3 times more. Returning and picking up the car takes ages. Some people have even missed their flights because of it. So, if you go this route, be prepared to spend a bit more time and money. Second way, renting at your hotel reception. You can rent a car right at your hotel reception. Usually, it's the same companies as in the airport, but the process can be a bit quicker since there's less crowd. Theoretically, the prices might be better, but probably not, since these rental companies also have to pay a commission to the hotel, which of course affects the final price. Let us know in the comments if you've tried any of these methods and how it went for you. Third way, renting and booking a car online. The best way is to rent and book a car online. Unfortunately, there are some websites with hidden fees and insurance tricks. That's why we recommend going with trusted companies with good reviews like Rent.do. The prices you see on our website are final, including all insurance and taxes, and offer unlimited mileage. Plus, you can book without a credit card. So, head over to Rent.do and book your car right now. By booking early, you can snag an extra discount. Thanks for sticking around till the end. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and drop your questions or share your car rental experiences in Punta Cana in the comments below. See you in the next video.